Please be seated. Yes. Go ahead.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. Thank you, Chairman, sir, for giving this opportunity. Sir, never in the world we have seen that the OBCs in India were exploited for thousands of years. But this situation continued, and even during India, when it was ruled by the British or the Mughals, sir, after the independence, the first state in India to recognize and address the problem was the state of Tamil Nadu, which I proudly come from. Sir, it is my state which raised the concerns of the OBC. It is by leaders like Periyar, Anna, Kalaignar, Kamarajar, who fought for this and ensured that reservation was made to come. Sir, history says the first amendment, constitutional amendment was made on reservation in 1954. It was made for reservation because of Tamil Nadu. Sir, Tamil Nadu has been the forerunner in this, sir. Sir, today we are talking about the reservation, sir. Sir, why are we here in this situation? The situation today for amendment, constitutional amendment, 127th amendment has come in because of the ruling party. Sir, N.T. Ramarao once said that center doesn't have power. All the powers lies with the state. All the powers is distributed among states. But what did you want to do? You want all the powers with yourself. You want all the powers with the Prime Minister and with the Home Minister. Sir, this has ended up in a legal tangle, which now you are trying to unwind yourself and come and say, give it to us. Sir, let me ask you, sir. They are talking today as their champion, the reservation of OBC. Sir, let me take you back to the history. Sir, it was my late leader, Dr. M. Kalaignar Karunanidhi, who emphasized on our late Prime Minister, Mr. V.P. Singh, along with the National Front leaders of N.T. Ramarao and all the leaders from South India, to implement Mandal Commission, which was Mandal Commission report was ready during Morarji Desai's time, but it never came into implementation. It was sleeping. In 1990, then Prime Minister, Mr. V.P. Singh, implemented Mandal Commission. Sir, based on 1931 caste-based census. Which report? 1931 caste-based census. 27% was given for more than 80% of people. Reservation was given. What happened to Mr. V.P. Singh? Who threw him out? Who pulled the chair? It was the BJP who pulled the chair because of implementing the Mandal Commission. So this is history. And we can never forget history, sir. Today, we have so many things to say, sir. Sir, the same UPA government decided to have a caste-based census between 2011 and 2015. A census was conducted. Mr. Arun Jaitley said in 3rd of July 2018 that in 2021, the data will be released. The caste-based census data will be released. Sir, what happened in 2021? In the same question here in this Lok Sabha. What they say? We will not release any data, but only the data of SC and ST. What about OBC? Today, you are talking about OBC. Sir, until 2019, there's only 13 ministers who are OBC belonging in the BJP government. Today, how much we have, sir? Today, we have 27 ministers. We all know the reason. The secret is because of UP election. I wish UP election comes every year, sir. We'll have more representative for OBCs in our thing. Sir, I would like to say, sir, you have the data. Sir, data is the king. Why can't you release the data? The actual data, sir, in reality, everyone says, give me the data. What is Supreme Court asking you? The Supreme Court is asking me, where is the data? Yes, I have the data in my pocket, but I will not give it to you because it will benefit the OBCs. This 27% is not enough. Sir, this 27%, we need more. For that, we need a caste-based census data to be released. Why can't the government do that? Sir, Tamil Nadu and DMK party and my leader will be fighting it. Today in Supreme Court, sir, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. In Supreme Court, we got 50% reservation.
Conclude in a minute, please.
I'll wind up, sir. I respect you, sir. You're very nice chairman, sir. in Supreme Court, gave an order giving 50% reservation for OBC. You are taking credit. The credit goes to Mr. M.K. Stalin of DMK, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. We are the ones who filed the case and we won it. We won it for the OBC. Today, you're leaving crocodile tears. People of India will not going to fall for it because they have seen you. Every time an election comes, you're there everywhere. You're there everywhere. Sir, today we are in a very serious situation. Sir, as much as today you're forced to relook at OBC reservation, please change it, increase to 69% as it is implemented in Tamil Nadu. That will be the new full right share. And similarly, sir, since you're relooking at every situation, don't be as arrogant as you are always when it comes to need.
Yeah, thank you.
This case,
Thank-
last,
thanks,
just
sir.
winding up, just winding up, sir, just winding up. Last
Yes,
point.
please conclude.
Last point,
There's-
last point.
there are a lot of other
Last
questions.
point. Needs has been killing our dreams of our students, for little girls and boys in our villages. They are not getting an opportunity to become doctors because of your arrogance. NEET is there. Sir, all the best doctors, the doctors who treat Prime Minister Modi or Home Minister, do not study NEET, have not studied NEET, but they are still good doctors. Let the whole system come in. I request you to reconsider. I request you to increase the quota to 69%. That is done by Tamil Nadu.
Shri
And
N.K.
caste-based
Premchandran.
census. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Chairman, sir. Sir, first of all, I rise to support the 127th Constitution Amendment Bill.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா ப்ளீஸ் லைக் அண்ட் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம எங்க சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைபும் பண்ணுங்க.